Hello guys, welcome to the first video of Java series. In this video, I will show you how to download IDE for Java, where we write a code. IDE means Integrated Development Environment, where we write a code of Java. So first of all, go to the browser. I will use Brave browser. Type IntelliJ IDE. Go to first option, home page. Here you find download option. Click on download. Here you find two download option. First one is IntelliJ IDEA Ultimate and another one is IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition. This version is for paid. This is a paid version and this is a free version. We will download free version. Click exe and yeah, now my downloading is start. You can see download is start. It's 556 MB. You can see my download is almost complete. So go to the local disk where download ID, where I download the ID, volume F, and where is my IntelliJ? Yeah, you can see it will take some time to install. Next, next, and install. It will take some time. It depends on your PC processor. You can see here my installation is almost complete. So click on finish. You can see here IntelliJ is download. So click on do not import. Click on do not import setting and click OK. You can see it's almost installed and now click on new project and check it's working or not. Now give the name of your project. Let's suppose I am giving past Java and the location you can set here location where you want to store your Java programs. I move from C to F in C sharp. Language use Java. click on create button. Here you can see the file is loaded successfully, and it is main.java, main file of Java. Wait for some time, it's downloading some dependency and external jar file. After that, it will show you the run button. You can see it's almost done. All the dependency and external jar file is downloaded. And click on run button. You can see in output string is print hello and welcome. So in this is the main class, and inside this main class a main function is defined where I write a system.out.printf, which means it prints some text in output. So basically it is the intro of how to install your this video is the intro of how to install IntelliJ in your PC, and yeah, that's it. And if you want to use some another kind of ID, like you can use Eclipse ID for developing Java apps. You can use NetBeans, but in my videos I'm using IntelliJ, and I will provide you the link of this IntelliJ in my description. So let's meet you in another video. So bye bye, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.